How to use pointer speed setting in Vivo phones. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can use pointer speed setting in any kind of Vivo phones. Okay, so guys, if you want to know, then simply watch this video. Okay, so pointer speed setting is a little bit tricky. So if you don't know how to use, then guys, it will be a little bit difficult for you. Okay, so I'm going to explain you how you can use it, how you can enable it. So just stay tuned with the video, and guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. So now let's begin the tutorial without wasting any more time. So at first guys, what you need to do is to enable the pointer speed setting, you have to go to your setting. Okay, this is your phone default setting. You have to go there, and then you need to scroll it down, and you need to find out the shortcut and accessibility. So when you find out the shortcut and accessibility, you have to tab and open it, and after that you have to click on easy touch. Okay, go to easy touch, and from here you can enable it. So this is called the pointer speed setting. Why? Because you will get a point on your screen. So from there you can directly open the WhatsApp. Okay, like this you can open the WhatsApp. So let's turn off the WhatsApp. Okay, so let's turn off. Okay, so guys, as you have seen, okay, from here you can open up the WhatsApp, Facebook messages, anything you want. And guys, there are some tools like recent files, calculator, search, scanner. Okay, so you can use everything from here. So this is very easy. Okay, so guys, these are some tools, okay, which you will get in pointer speed. But guys, even that ball you can use it. If you tap and hold that ball, you will get you will go to the home screen directly. Okay, so if you want to go back without pressing the back button, just slide the button, tap and hold, slide it, and your screen will go back. Okay, that's it. So there are some settings which I would like to show you. So let's go back to shortcut and accessibility, and let's open up the easy touch. So guys, as you can see, there are some customized menu. From here you can add some applications, okay, in your menu, and you can remove and add quick tools in the bottom. Okay, so you can choose it. So for this ball, okay, for this ball you can set the settings from here. There is tab option, double tab option, tab and hold options, hold and slide sides way options. Okay, so like this you will get many kind of settings. So if you want to change, or if you want to add some settings, then you can just open up and you can select that setting from here. Okay, like if you want to open the recent button from this quick ball, you can select the recent files at the top. Okay, just like this. So that's it. Okay, these are some settings. And guys, there are some more settings. Auto hide in full screen mode is there. Auto hide after 3 seconds of inactivity. Okay, you will get this kind of settings. So this is idle visibility. Okay, so how much visibility you want, you can set it from here. Okay, like this. So that's it. So how, if you want to use, you can enable and use. If you don't want to use, then you can disable it. That's it. Okay, so this is how you can use pointer speed setting in any Vivo phones. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. And guys, if this video helps you, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.